Yeah, to me, 6ix9ine ain't nothing but a little rat ass punk. You know what I mean? Kid needs to grow up.
Fucking strap. Nigga straight to the.
He tried. Yeah. He was definitely a plant though. Biggest bitch. Fuck 6ix9ine. He'd never welcome him fucking Miami. Biggest motherfucking bitch.
Snitch ass, bitch ass, shitty person, and should have gotten roped for everything he did.
Fuck 6ix9ine.
I think 6ix9ine is a rapist and a child molester, and I feel like he shouldn't be in the
What's up, Plato boy? I wonder is you ready? I had a little time today, so I'ma break the levee. Rip the Bible open like Gretty. Go ahead and clutch your teddy, cause it's nap time, go to bed and stay asleep until you dead. Keep on dreaming of being lethal, hiring people to do your diesel. When I drop this on the scene, you're gonna treat me like Snowbeetle. I'm a nobody, but I'll keep on spitting. Let me make it clear though, if you tryna battle with me, you gon' get blow later, heat yo. Back in 2015, man. Damn. She was only 13, man. Damn. Now you rap a police, man. Damn. Hope your conscience is clean, man. Damn. Snitching on your whole team, man. Damn. This a D-O-double-G, man. Damn. What you tried on Chief Keef, man. Damn. Hope your conscience is clean, man. You was beat by Bieber, now you're richer. Me not featured, you still weaker. Brooklyn people wanna see ya put to sleeper, so don't leave ya. Painted up boxer, you might just see ya. LAX rerun from 2018. See me evil, bars be lethal. 9mm, you did leader. So I'ma spit some truth out of this booth in your direction. If you thinking of fucking stepping, get your best on. Here's a lesson, come correct or get deflected. I'm coming hard like an erection. You getting cock blocked from the game like they heard you was infected. It's pathetic, see you messing up Minaj's reputation. Even no kid hungry knew that your name was a shit investment. Better dressing your best bestmans, call up recess for a blessing. Cause we know you like him young, bitch, you like Epstein the second. Back in 2015, man. Damn. She was only 13, man. Damn. Now you rap a police, man. Damn. Hope your conscience is clean, man. Damn. Snitching on your whole team, man. Damn. This a D-O-double-G, man. Damn. What you tried on Chief Keef, man. Damn. Hope your conscience is clean, man. Man, my skin is fucking white and you got more privilege than I do. But I got homies that don't ride through. You got nobody beside you. You left all your ties behind when you testified against power. Punking out on all your debts, you got no loyalty inside you. What you gonna hire a shooter? What like Cuda? Who you blew to whistle on because you knew that you was soon to pay your dues up. You're a screw up, you're a loser. You could barely form up tours. Why you dumb, stupid and dumb? Homie, you the fucking goober. Look at that Tony Robbins smile, damn. How big is your toothbrush? Damn, where'd you get the Play-Doh hairstylist you've been using? Man, you dressed up like a Teletubby, juicy brewed infusion. Leave the booth, your fucking nuisance and go back to your vegan food shit. So you're bragging how your views blew up. You like the Vegas and Aurora shooters. You a tragedy like Sandy with a hook. Guess I gotta take it back to school, huh? Need style, I got it. Need bars, I got 'em. Go hard, you nada. One more, I gotcha. Your flow is shoddy, your word is garbage. So stop the talking and drop a buff it. See you watching on your deals, right? Yeah. Other people paid your bills, right? Yeah. Got your fame from the entree, right? Yeah. You was never really gang life. Yeah. Dog, your quips about as vicious as a clip of pitbulls licking jiffy up a nuts like sick down skittle bitch and take a listen. This me dissing, you ain't wishing that your wrist was this efficient. I see you fishing for attention, hoping your sins never get mentioned. Shut your bars down like I'm COVID, though we know that Zilla wrote them. Hold up, homie, who created scum? It wasn't you, you phony. You gon' Kobe with your domain, and there's no court need to throw blame. Ain't no shame in going ghost man. Don't you know your name is Toast Man? Listen up, this part is vital. Better prep for my arrival. In this game about survival, I put a plug like Terry Schiavo, cause you kind of a live hole, but your lines ain't spiking high though. Flip the switch on your career. No safe game and no revival, dog. I pull triggers myself. I don't gotta hire help. Put a 9 up off my belt and let it pop on little whips. Wanna claim that you're gangster, but now that ain't in your nature. You a scared little boy who ain't got not try to save you. Damn. Bro, you almost free, man. Damn. Now it's time for you to leave, man. Damn. Keep your face out this scene, man. Damn. You'll never spit it like me, man.